Please subscribe and ring the bell.
In this tutorial, I will be sharing with you how to make Christmas ornaments using your Cricut. I'm going to make this as easy as possible and share the file for these 3 ornaments. In the description below, there should be a link that has a shareable ornament Cricut Design Space link that will bring you directly here. Just a note, if you do not have the same fonts that I used uploaded, it may say that you have not uploaded the fonts that have been used, but go ahead and click continue and you are able to still resize and make these items without having the fonts that I used uploaded. I also will be attaching the names and links to upload the fonts yourself if you do want to continue to use them for other projects. I'm also going to show you how to make the Merry Christmas and Let It Snow ornaments from scratch in case you want to customize your own saying. Let's get started. For the Grinch, I just Googled free Grinch SVG, and I can also attach the link below that I used for this one in the description. Now we can start cutting and assembling.
If you love my mommy's video, give her a thumbs up.
What I ended up doing was I just took a simple circle and resized it to 2.5 inches because my ornaments were around 3 inches and I wanted to make sure I had enough room. So I'll go right around 2.5 inches. And then the text I used was called Before Christmas that I got on dafont.com, which I will be attaching the link below. And I just typed in Merry Christmas. And you can see, because it's a script font, the letters don't attach correctly. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just ungroup my words, and I'm gonna just slide my Y over. I'm gonna regroup and weld. Now the Christmas one is gonna be a little more tricky. I'm just gonna slide a few of these over to get them connecting and then highlight and weld. And as you can see, the S's sometimes lose their little inside. So all you need to do is hit the back arrow and then just readjust. And it could be that the letters are just too close together. So I just slide things over and try again. And there we go. Now I'm gonna just position them about how I would like them, highlight both of them and weld them all together. Then I can position them onto my gray circle. And now I'm gonna add the snowflakes. So I just went to image and searched free snowflake, and I picked this one, but you can see they have several other options if you are not a Cricut Access member. And so I just resized these to my liking and duplicated them a few times. And there. Now I just move my circle, I highlight everything and weld it because you cannot slice anything out unless it's welded. So I weld everything, I reposition it onto my circle, I highlight and slice, and then I move everything out of the way and I can erase this part here, and then I'm ready to cut this one out. And I did the same thing for Let It Snow, and I can attach the fonts that I used as well.